The work is finished, but my hands still shake, trying to hold what you already sustained. The sky is turning, the evening comes, and still my heart is trying to run. You rested not from weakness, not from need, but from completion. You rested not from striving, but from sovereignty. God's rest is not idleness, but alignment. To rest is to trust that love holds it all together. I don't have to carry what you already own. I don't have to steady what you've already sown. Rest is not retreat, it's not escape, it's surrender in sacred space. Striving has a louder voice, but stillness makes the deeper choice. To lay the outcome at your feet and call that worship, call that peace. God's rest is not idleness, but alignment. To rest is to trust that love holds it all together. I release the weight, I release control, I release the need to fix it all. I release the fear that I'm alone. You are holding what I can't hold. Stillness is not empty, it is full of you. Stillness is not weakness, it is wholly true. Not retreat, but return. Not escape, but trust. Not retreat, but return. Not escape, but trust. Align my heart, align my will, align my rhythm. Be still. Align my heart, align my will, align my rhythm. Be still, be still, be still. Trust that